Feeling tired, weak, or dizzy more often than usual, it could be more than just stress, it might be anemia. But here's the good news. Nature has given us powerful herbs that can boost blood production, increase red blood cells, and help fight anemia naturally. In today's video, I'll share the top 7 herbs backed by tradition and nutrition science that can restore your energy and vitality without relying only on synthetic supplements. Stay tuned because number 7 is a game changer that many people overlook. Let's dive straight into the herbs and discover how each one works in your body. Number 1. Nettle leaf, Urtica dioica. Nettle leaf is often called nature's multivitamin. It's rich in iron, folate, and vitamin C, 3 key nutrients your body needs to produce healthy red blood cells. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron more effectively. Drinking nettle tea or adding nettle powder to smoothies can gradually build your hemoglobin levels, making it a gentle yet powerful remedy for anemia. Number 2. Moringa, Moringa oleifera. Known as the miracle tree, moringa leaves are packed with bioavailable iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, and protein. This combination not only stimulates red blood cell production, but also boosts immunity and fights fatigue. In fact, 100 grams of moringa leaves can provide almost half of your daily iron needs. Fresh leaves, dried leaf powder, or moringa tea are excellent ways to incorporate it into your diet. Number 3. Yellow dock root, Rumex crispus. Yellow dock root is a traditional herb used to build blood. It contains iron in a highly absorbable form and also works as a mild digestive tonic, which helps your body actually use the nutrients you eat. Herbalists often recommend yellow dock syrup for people with chronic anemia, especially women with heavy menstrual cycles. It's usually taken as a tincture or tea. Number 4. Dandelion root and leaves, Taraxacum officinale. Don't underestimate this common weed, it's a blood builder. Dandelion leaves are rich in iron, folate, and minerals like magnesium and potassium. The root also supports liver health, which plays a major role in storing and releasing iron. Adding dandelion tea or fresh leaves to salads can naturally support your blood and energy levels. Number 5. Alfalfa medicago sativa. Alfalfa is often called the father of all foods. It contains not just iron, but also vitamin K and chlorophyll, which work together to enhance hemoglobin production. Chlorophyll's structure is very similar to hemoglobin, making alfalfa a natural blood booster. Drinking alfalfa tea or taking it in capsule form can help restore balance for people with anemia. Number 6. Beetroot, Beta vulgaris. While technically a root vegetable, beetroot is often used as a herbal remedy. It's packed with folate, iron, and nitrates that improve blood circulation. Drinking fresh beet juice or eating it in salads stimulates the production of red blood cells and improves oxygen flow throughout the body. It's especially effective when combined with carrots and apples in fresh juice. Number 7. Ashwagandha. This ancient Ayurvedic herb is better known for reducing stress, but it also supports blood health. Ashwagandha improves hemoglobin levels, increases stamina, and enhances the body's ability to absorb iron. It's often used in powdered form mixed with warm milk or taken as a capsule. For people with fatigue linked to anemia, this herb can be life-changing. So let's recap. Nettle leaf, moringa, yellow dock root, dandelion, alfalfa, beetroot, and ashwagandha. All of these herbs provide the iron, vitamins, and natural compounds your body needs to build healthy blood. The best part, they are gentle, nourishing, and have been used for centuries in different cultures around the world. Anemia doesn't have to drain your life away. With the right herbs and consistent use, you can restore your blood, energy, and vitality naturally. Now here's my question for you. Which of these herbs have you tried before, or which one are you most excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments below. I will love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. See you in the next video.